In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a mass airflow sensor on your G35 INFINITI. Remove the connector from the mass airflow sensor, push on this tab, and pull straight back. There's usually an air box located right here. This vehicle does not have that. We're just going to remove this pod filter and take this clamp off, and then we'll be able to remove the mass airflow sensor. If you still have the box, it's going to be the same procedure. There's going to be 4 10mm bolts on the back and then this one clamp, and then you're able to remove the mass airflow sensor. We're going to loosen this band clamp using a 10mm socket, just like that. And I'm also going to remove one 10mm bolt on the bracket going into this air pod. We're going to remove this assembly, and we're going to continue and take the rest of the 3 bolts out. Remove the old mass airflow sensor. Install the new mass airflow sensor. I'm going to put in our 4 bolts. Make sure you install this sensor with the arrow pointing towards the intake. Install it back into the boot. I'm going to tighten this clamp up. Give it a little wiggle, making sure it doesn't go anywhere. And then with the setup this car has, the bracket is going to go outside of this sensor. And then I'm going to go around and snug down all 4 of the bolts. Grab the connector, and we're going to attach it to the new mass airflow sensor. Push until you hear a click. Give it a little tug. Make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.